Welcome to our video. I'm going to tell you how to use AI to automate email and SMS campaigns in Shopify. The easiest way is by using apps like Klaviyo, OmniSend, or Shopify Email, which now have AI features built in. Once you connect your store, the AI can write subject lines, generate entire email flows, and personalize messages based on customer behavior, like abandoned carts or repeat purchases. For SMS, AI can automatically segment your audience and send the right message at the right time, whether it's a discount code, product drop, or restock alert. The best part is, once you set up these automations, AI keeps running in the background, testing, optimizing, and improving performance without you constantly monitoring it. This saves you hours every week and helps you increase sales with smarter targeting. Thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe for more useful content.